Now, what is the JRE? JRE known as Java Runtime Environment. Okay. So guys, let me ask you this question to understand the JRE. So when you plug in any device to your computer, for example, you added the USB or you plug in keyboard or mouse, you see that in the bottom here, like there are some instructions are going on, and something Windows is installing something. You ever notice this thing?
Yes.
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 So normally we say that the driver of specific hardware is installing, right? So what is that driver or what is that file includes that is installing? Can anybody tell me?
Well, it can be the let's say the instructions that enable the device on how to perform with the system.
Yes, exactly. Right, awesome. So yes, guys, so basically that installation, that file contains instructions that telling to the computer to how to communicate with this device, right? So your computer doesn't know how to communicate with this device, how to operate or how to handle this device. This instruction will tell, okay, these instructions will tell to the computer that you have to perform this operation with this device, right? So in the same way, guys, what are the JRE? JRE is a set of libraries, is a set of files. So what including in that files or in that libraries? In that libraries contains the instructions that how to process the Java code, how to work with the Java code. Now, how your JVM will come to know that how to operate with the Java code. So JVM will take the help from this JRE. This JRE will tell to the JVM how to handle the Java code, how to operate with the Java code. What is the JRE? JRE is known as Java Runtime Environment. So this includes this includes this set of libraries, okay, that tells to the JVM that how to handle the Java code, how to operate with the Java code. So like here I have written JRE stand for Java Runtime Environment. It also written as RTE. Java Runtime Environment is a set of software tools which are used for developing Java application. It is used to provide Java Runtime Environment. It physically exists. It contains a set of libraries plus other files that JVM use at runtime. So when you run your program, compiler compiles your program for your source code to machine language, and that code is sent to the JVM. Then JVM will take the instruction from JRE like how to process this code, and this is known as JRE and Java Runtime Environment. Any question, guys, up to here? Okay. So next, last thing is, guys, like what is the JDK? So JDK is known as Java Development Kit. Okay. So guys, like if I can open Notepad here to work efficiently with the Java code, we need following high level things like we need JVM, we need JRE, we need compiler. Okay, so these are the different things we have to install on our computer to work with the Java. Okay, so now what is the JDK? JDK is helping, guys, to make the easiness for the users, for the developers. So what the Java developers did, they created one JDK file. That JDK includes all the necessary things that you guys need to run your Java program. Okay, so it's mean that when you install this JDK, it is known as Java Development Kit. Okay, basically when you use this JDK or when you install this JDK, it automatically install JVM for you, JRE for you, and compiler for you. So after installing the JDK, you don't need any other plugin or any other tool to work with the Java. So basically JDK includes each and everything inside it, all the instructions. If I can go back to my slides, so just hold on. So if I can show you guys this JDK picture here. So if you install the JDK, so JDK will install JRE, JDK will install the JVM. So all the development tools, Java compiler and Java language, whatever we need to work with the Java, JDK will help us to install each and everything on our computer. So this is known as Java Development Kit. Any question, guys?
No.
No,
Is that hard or easy?
So far easy.
it's okay so far.
It seems easy, but we need to dig more into it. But it's interesting.
What about others? Nadeem, Shazia, Harun, Manpreet,
Yes, it is easy.
Papinder?
Yep, that's good.
It's all right. I guess it's going to require a lot of practice time.
Definitely. Usman?
Yeah, I guess we'll see. It looks easy for now.
Good. Sean? Okay. So now guys, the next step is now we have to install the JDK. We have to install the Java on the computer. Okay. Give me 1 second. Let me see here. So the one thing is, guys, like if you want to check like Java is installed on your computer or not. So all of you please open your command line. Okay. So if you can type here as a CMD, so it will give you this option as a command prompt. Can please all of you open this? And please let me know when you guys are able to open it.
Amen.
I'm here.
For Mac, it's a terminal.
Yeah, Mac is done.
Okay.
So it's not available on Mac?
No, in a Mac there is not command prompt, there is a terminal.
I'm in.
Okay. So now guys, if you want to see that Java compiler or Java version is installed or not, if you see there, if you can write Java C and press enter and see what's going on. Okay. So if you see the information like me, it's mean that Java compiler is installed on your computer. Please go ahead and see Java C.
Mine is not.
Yeah, it says Java is not recognized as internal or external command, operable program, or batch file.
Yes. If this message is coming towards you, like Java is not recognized or something like that, it's mean that you don't have a Java of the system.
For me, it says Java Runtime Present request and install. That's a MacBook. So.
Yeah, all these messages indicating that we don't have the Java. Okay, so next thing is, guys, let's move forward and install the Java on the computer. So guys, for that, I need a control of any one of the computer because I already installed the Java.
You can have mine.
You can have mine.